Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nazirul Izzat, and in this video we show the 5-axis CNC machining for our part, which is a baby toy for our group project assignment for the subject Advanced CNC. So here is the design of the baby toy. Also, as you can see here, there are two-part body. First is the final design, and then the body tree shows the stock of the toy. Also, we have add plane 1, 2 and 3. And then next we also add point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first step is go to the advanced machining. So in this part, for the part operation, first we will pick the 5-axis machine. Next, we will pick the axis reference for the part operation 1. We will start by click this little red dot here, and then we will click on this point here. Then click OK. Next, we will pick the design part. We will pick the part body since this is the final design. Next, we will pick the stock. Stock will be body 3. Then OK. Now we will first select the tools. We will change the tool using the tool change and then select end mill. Here we will adjust the tool size. We will change this to 100 mm, and then here will be 80 mm. Then click OK. So after changing the tools, we will start the process by machining the part over here, and then to the top, and then to the right side. So first we will start backwards. We will start from here. So for the first step, we will rotate the tools using the machine rotation. Here we will select 90 degree. Next, we will add on the pocket features. So for the pocket features, we will first hide the stock, and then we will select this red part here, and then we will select this here. Next, we will select the top here. After finishing this, we will activate the approach and retract. So first we will add points. Then we will select the point where the tool will approach and retract. First, we will unhide the stock, and then we click here and then select here. Also same for the retract, and then click OK. Next, we will machine the top part. We will first again rotate the tools using the machine rotation. Since the reference is over here, we will select 0 degree. Again, the same with previous features, we will also use pocket again. First we will hide the stock, and then the same method again. Next, we will move on to the next part, which is over here. Again, we will rotate the tools. It will be 90 degree, but this time it will be counterclockwise. Again, same, we will using the pocket. After finishing this, we will look at the tool path generated. As you can see here, here is the final design of the baby tools. So thank you for watching.